Welcome everybody to another 360 adventure. This time, we're at Disney World's Winter Summerland Mini Golf. And now for some family rules. The winner of each hole gets 1 point. No points are given if the hole is tied. The person with the most points wins. Plus, we have a couple other rules, but we won't get into that. As of now, here is the score. Now let's get into it.
All right, Jacob. Go for it. Jake is gonna go for a hole one. Jake's going for a hole one. Jake's going. What was that?
I don't want to block you. I blocked you. Good luck.
I know, but I can knock him in. Very close to winning again.
There's a blue shot.
That's nice. Come on, hit the hole. Put that.
All right, next.
So Jake and I, we got two. Well done, Jake.
Nice shot, Sandy.
Way to go, Sandy.
What will Ma do? Yeah, I know. Hey!